GoTrax. I noticed when I was riding, it's loose. I have to go figure out if I take these two off and look at the other side, and those two, that maybe this comes out, that I could get under here and get the wheel off. Well, this is a 6, this is an 8. This is a 2.5 millimeter that goes in here. And we have an H2 and an H3 that is too short of a bit. So we'll just start to remove them one at a time. Go over each of the bolts because you never know if these things are really loose. If I take a closer look inside, and I won't be able to get this off, the actual plastic broke. So the only way I could fix this is to try to get this off and glue it. I may be able to get some glue in there without taking this off. But it's impossible for me to get it off unless this, I must peel off to get this off with the screw behind the reflectors. As you can see, I'm able to start to budge this and get that off. I'm able to get behind it, peel it away, and there is a screw. And that was not too tight. I loosen it up and I take it off. One side at a time. And you can see how this is loose. And single-handedly slide it off and need to repair. If GoTrax sends me a new one, then all I do is replace it. But since GoTrax's not going to send me a new one, I have to get a bolt, a nut, washers that are about that tall, go through the whole thing so I can screw through each of the holes, make a drill hole, and that'll lock them into place. That's the only way I could think of repairing. What could have caused this damage? Maybe opening and closing a number of times, the way it folds and unfolds. Maybe somebody coming along, maybe a pothole. You never know. I take care of my stuff. You could look at this screw, how bent it is. Now let me tell you, something has happened. But here I have is another screw that is twice or 3 times longer. So what I am going to do, try to screw it on. So these longer screws got into the plastic. It's all on there, rock solid. And the only thing we need to do is put the covers and the stickers back on. Yeah, when you get everything on the way you like and nice and tight with blue Loctite, you're good to go. Just don't lose those stickers. If you want to glue them back down again, please do so. They just simply snap on. There you go. No more wiggle jiggle. On there nice and solid, like it never ever happened. I hope you can find this repair somewhat helpful. Remember, go over every single bolt. You never know if that was the issue. All repaired, there you go.